Hey guys, are you ready to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine in 2025? Let's dive into the ultimate guide on how to earn big on Instagram. Step 1, find your niche. Whether it's fitness, fashion, travel, or tech, identify what you're passionate about and what resonates with your audience. And your niche will guide your content and attract followers who are genuinely interested. Next, create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera or use your smartphone smartly. Lighting, angles, and editing can make a huge difference. Consistency is key here. Post regularly and keep your feed visually appealing. Step 3. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, like and comment on other posts. And use Instagram stories and reels to connect on a personal level. The more interaction, the more your posts will be seen by others. Now, let's talk about collaborations. Partner with brands that align with your niche. Reach out to them or join influencer marketing platforms. Authenticity is crucial, so only promote products you truly believe in. Monetize your content through sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing and selling your own products or services with you. Sponsored posts are when brands pay you to promote their products. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. If you have a product or service, but Instagram is a great platform to sell it. Another powerful tool is Instagram shopping. If you have an online store, you can tag products in your posts and stories, making it easier for your followers to shop directly from your content. Leverage Instagram's IGTV and Reels features. Create long-form videos on IGTV, like tutorials or behind-the-scenes content. Use Reels for short, catchy videos that can go viral. These features can help you reach a wider audience. Don't forget to analyze your performance. Use Instagram Insights to track engagement. See what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Know when your audience is most active and tailor your posts to those times. Finally, stay updated with Instagram's latest features and trends. The platform is always evolving, so be flexible and adaptable. Experiment with new tools and content styles to keep your audience engaged. There you have it, the ultimate guide to making money on Instagram in 2025. Remember, it's all about passion, consistency, and engagement. Start today, and you could be the next big Instagram success story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips today. Catch you on the next one.